www.facebook.com/shakysvili. Miss Mal, ano bang social network mo dyan?
Facebook. Okay, over to the side of the Philippine Navy team, you will definitely see how serious they are taking on the Maynilad Water Dragons. Kumbaga, kung titignan mo sila ngayon, game face on sila. Simula pa lang nung warm-up, and this means they mean all business, and they want to close this game in a very emphatic way. Yun yung sabi ng trainer nila na si Coach Richard. Their focus now is on their defense at the backcourt. They're very confident kasi na yung mga blockers nila, very formidable, kayang pabagalin yung takbo ng bola, and they have ample time to set up their plays at the backcourt. Ngayon daw, sana mas magaan yung team, because looking back when they played Ateneo the last time, kahit nanalo sila, medyo mabigat yung team. So sana makabawi daw sila ngayon, guys.
Magaan, mabigat, masipag, matapang, pero si Janet Serafica, grabe. Oo, pwede yun. Pwede yun.
The save by Janet Serafica.
Hindi mo pag natutulog yan, tapos ginulat mo. Ha? Pag natutulog at ginulat mo, puk! Yan, sa hole. 8-6 lamang pa rin dito ang Maynilad. Guliman rejected by Sue Roses.
Once again.
Nako! Joseph the net, yes. Mahaba.
And that's going to be a looper for Susan.
Bawi ako. Sabi rito ni Susan, kailangan bumawi.
Wala, hindi na naka-approach eh.
Yes.
That's why looper ni nangyari doon.
Eileen Susan. Sabi niya, Coach, bawi ako. Ganyan ang matatapang ng mga atleta, no? Pag nagkamali. Yung iba, yuyo ko, pero yung iba, babawi ako, Coach. Serafica, Sue Roses, and this time, gets the better of Bonsai Nerasol.
And in games with rally point system, hindi pwedeng dwelling ka dun sa errors mo.
Kaya gusto mo yung
kailangan
rally point
mabilis
system.
Forgive and forget yourself.
Oo, forget ka na, tapos na. Alas ang pagita ka na.
Ay, sino yun?
Hindi yata nila. Wag
Guys, kilala ko yan.
si Barry nga, kilala ka rito.
National artist na ba yun?
Hindi pa. Si Barry nga, kaya ko naalala, kumakanta si Barry dito, katabi natin ng Freddy Aguilar. Nag-look forward na naman namin.
Sa volleyball. Yan ang magagaling, Dre.
Yes.
Sa music
OPM.
industry.
Misreception coming from the libero. Aison. And suddenly we have a tied game. Here in the second set, parang hindi makarelate.
That was a big one.
If it's Fan Family and Pizza, it's got to be shaky.
Naman, 80s nga na pinapatugtog ni Noel, kailangan pa namin i-refrain para maalala niya.
Taylor Swift yung kinakanta niya kanina sa Katy Perry.
Talaga lang.
10-9 for Philippine Navy. Nabaliktad na yung momentum dito in favor of the Lady Sailors.
Sayang tayo. Naman tayong tatlo, pinahabol lang natin na mabilis na ito. Wala pa 5 minuto yun. Diba? Pag ganyan, nagsishift na naman. Hindi ba tayo konti? Masyado kayo nakasulat ako mo. Kaya ba kayo ginagawa? Pagkagawa mo lang yung pagkakpas ng gano'n, pag-block ng gano'n sa
Pananalita ni Coach BJ Sacramento, ibig sabihin, mabilis na dapat ang reaction nila dito dahil yung 3 puntos na kalamangan, binura na at lamang na rito ang koponan ng Philippine Navy.
Napakaganda naman kasi nung serve na yun ni Sue Roses. Let's see if she duplicates this ace a while ago before the timeout. Ganun eh. Ganun din eh.
Exacto, no?
But this time, Maynilad was able to answer.
Susan? Ancheta?
Ayan. Na-bait dun si Laborte. Dun na, kasi mag-close to the net yung second ball. She wanted to block it right away. Pero yun, kaya natira isang blocker na lang.
Nakapatan si
Maynilad.
Mick Laborte.
But that's going to be low for Maggie.
Si Beck Mangi ba yung naka-goggles nun?
No, hindi.
Sino na yun? Sa NU?
Kaya ko yan, maya-maya lang.
Sa NU, di ba?
Yes, pero ngayon hindi na siya naka-goggles.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Sige, pag lumipas na yung epekto nung...
Si Sante. That's right, Sante.
Okay. Pag lumipas na yung epekto nung anesthesia.
Si Sante yun.
Okay. Kailangan, alam ko, hindi, masisisante ako dito. Casas going way up for that hit. Labarte over the 2 blockers. Ancheta with going once again to Joy Casas.
And just too much for a one-hander by Nene Bautista.
Like Lisa Valdez, itong si Joy Casas yung may first, second, third, fourth, fifth vertical jumps na pare-pareho yung taas. Yan, no? Backpedal na dalawa. 1-2 steps. Take off na naman. Parang kinukwerdasan mo lang pabalik eh, no? Ancheta tying this game 11 apiece. The Mikasa NBA 300 is the new official game call of the Shakey's V-League Season 8.
Another great save there by Mikmik Laborte.
Serafika
But a
with a
free
free
ball
ball.
now. Well read by Sue. Laborte this time. And again with power. Joy Cases winning that one, winning that point.
Ano, pinapahirapan dito ng Maynila, itong defenders at the net, no? Against a solitary blocker, yes. Pero yung support dun sa back row, kailangan din nila yan.
Actually, challenge ng may si
Tama.
Joy Cases ang defenders ng Navy.
Ancheta pushing Maynila at 1 point ahead of the Water Dragons. And Laborte tied this game at 12 apiece. Second set po tayo at papasok na naman si Prochina, now at the front row.
Well, at the net, it's Navy with 3 blocks
Saan na to?
now. Maynila with 4. So, mas marami pang block ngayon ng Maynila.
Look at the front row para dito sa kuponan ng Philippine Navy. Mirasol, Cases getting that
Still
flash shot.
able. Ito naman yung quick hit na very quick. That's why wala ng blocker ang nakaabot
Yes.
from Maynila.
Extremely quick.
This is what you want.
Quick Nick.
Tingnan mo ang quick hit ni Quick Nick.
Quick Nick.
Kahit na hindi siya powerful, basta ganun kabilis, very effective. Yun talaga yung essence ng pagka-quick hit eh. Hindi naman talaga kailangan kalabog.
Pero bihira naman yung mga manlalarong meron din ganyang
Mabilis.
na reflex action. So Roses to Serafika, Nene Bautista, hindi quick hit, pero puntos pa rin para sa Navy. Dalawang tao, bagsak. Akala mo, binowling dito ni Nene, 14-12.
Oh, now.
The Lady Sailors. Ito na, yung hinahanap
Beverly
ko.
Boto. Diba, sanay na sanay tayo sa kanya nung
Yes.
naglalaro siya sa Lyceum na napakaraming puntos ang ginagawa nito si Beverly Boto.
Ang
And
ganda nung ano niya, pati yung tape niya, kakulay ng uniform nila.
let's see. She's able to do that here.
Roses.
Quick instant offense.
Yes. Nene Bautista, attacking Mangi.
And Alcates, beautifully done. Almost an overset already. Just able to put that in, cross court.
And this is a tough unit. Even if they only have 1 win in 4 games, makikita mo, matibay at mahusay na koponan itong hawak ni Coach BJ Sacramento.
Kapag kilala mo sila per
Yes.
person, per player.
Ayaw, kilala natin yan.
Alam mo na matibay rin tong team na to. Joy Cases again. Continuing those powerful hits and continuing to string up points for the Water Dragons.
All she need is 2 steps. Just 2 steps.
Grabe yung ano niya, yung jumping ability niya.
Konting-konti
Yung
lang
vertical.
eh. Kung sa track and
Spring.
field ito, magaling ito sa triple jump, sa long jump. Pati sa high jump, tingin ko kaya niya eh.
Yung spring na pa eh.
Saka yung mga ganyan, yung mga sinasabi nating innate, pinanganak na sila na merong ganyan. Ancheta. Oh! Mikmik Laborte with that nice reception. Nene Bautista, contained by Mangi.
Well, that was overset.
Ayan, hindi talon ang kailangan. Kailangan niya mahaba yung kanyang galamay. Philippine Navy 2 points ahead of the tough fighting Maynila Water Dragons at the end of the second technical time.